Hello and welcome to Home Renovation Experts. If you're watching this, you're trying to fit a freestanding pillar tap for a bath. So this is a good thing to do because they're beautiful. And here you can have, see, I have this one here, Blue Peter-esque. So you can see ensuite bathroom currently fitting. You can watch the videos, there'll be a tag up there somewhere for that. As you can see, I left an access panel in my flooring for the hot and cold feed for the tap. First things first, isolate the wall, turn it off. You can see mine is nice and easy because I've put those massive great isolators in there, so I'm good to go. Always read instructions first, okay? Can't stress that enough. Double check everything, make sure you've got all the bits and pieces you need from the box as well, because you're gonna get partway through the job and you find you haven't got something and then you're buggered, all right? So, upon reading the instructions, then you can start to work out what you need to do. So, for me, I've taken the valance off, like that. I then put it in position. I wanted it kind of square, so I measured 11 centimeters. Well, you can just see this joist is there. So that joist from the skirting is about 11 centimeters. So I just measured 11 centimeters from there to that great edge. I then put some skirting up here and then measured off that to get there. So this hole here is perfectly 11 and 11 off the top that skirting's on. So I know it's gonna be right in the center of the corner, which is exactly where I'd like it. Next thing you need to do is obviously drill your hole. Again, your instructions will tell you what size hole you're gonna need. So mine said 65mm, I had a 64mm drill bit, so I've done that. You can see, that's what I used. Nice and simple, on a drill, not on hammer mode, people. Just drive. Top tip. Once we've done that, basically, I'll slide the valance back on to here to get it up. Next up will be this retaining clip, followed by this one. So because I've got my tripod, I'm going to turn off and I'll come back to you in a second. So I've taken the valance off. So what I've done was I went to put it in just to kind of test to see what it was. The valance kept sliding down the tube, which was a pain. It kept sort of disappearing. It kept sitting when I'm trying to do stuff. So I took that off just so I can dry fit it basically. So I just wound this one, just topped up to the top, wound this one on as well. I then got it steady, got it in position. And when this one's undone and you zip this to the floor, nice and simple, just 3 screws hold it in. You can see now the whole tap still moves around and stuff like that, which is good. So you kind of aim it where you need it to be. And then what will happen is you just nip that up until you're happy, just nice and tight. Everything's in position. And then what that will do is it'll keep the whole tap stable. So once that's tight, there'll be no rocking at all. In fact, just to show you, I should put it there. Like so. And just nip that up by hand. Oh, that's it. And then you can see, tap is now nice and strong, which is great. So that way you still adjust, you can twist it as you need to. It's not fixed in place wherever you put these screws. So that is brilliant. Now I'm happy that it's screwed into place and everything's where it needs to be. I haven't connected these up yet, I'll do that later. But what I now do is unzip it back off the floor again, slide these bad boys off, slide the valance on first, boom, followed by this one and then this one, and then put it back in place and screw it in, and that is it fit. Nice and simple. I don't think it's needed that, does it? I don't think it does. And there you go, one fit tap. Connections made underneath there. Can't turn it on because there isn't a bath here, so, but done. Hope that helps you out. If it does, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you want to see this entire bathroom being built from scratch from day one, have a look at that. Show you loads of top tips and tricks on how to build this. This actually was an ensuite built in at the end of a bedroom, so there wasn't anything here, so we started from scratch, so it's a good build. See you later.